DIY projects here, and we are making
crushed candy cane chocolate chip cookies. We're going to show you how to make it. As far as the directions, we got to use unsalted butter. The butter does need to be at room temperature. Add the sugar. And then brown sugar. Okay.
Oh my gosh, this stuff is I love it.
It's cool.
Never mind.
Yeah, never mind. Alright, and then we beat it until it's light and fluffy. So now we're going to add an egg and add the peppermint extract and then mix well.
So this is what it has to look like once the process is done.
Alright, so go ahead and grab the egg.
How about you do the egg and I'll do the vanilla?
Okay. Vanilla's in here. Look at that. One-handed, folks. One-handed. Oh, professional. Like a boss.
Ah. It. Never mind. Second time I smell it, doesn't actually stink.
That's peppermint extract. Mix well.
That looks disgusting.
Right.
This looks so disgusting. Oh my gosh.
We're done with that mix in the large bowl. Now we're going to focus on a small bowl and what's going to be going in there. 2 cups of flour.
In here?
Yeah, go ahead and pour it in there.
Oh my gosh, it looks so sad.
It does so. Cool. Then baking soda. 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Oh wow, that was...
And then the salt. And then gradually add to the butter mixture. Mix until just combined. Mix that into there. It'll sift together, so you gotta kind of mix it. Gradually add to here. I don't know if that's a gradual pour, but so good. Mixing until just combined. Stir in the chocolate chips and the crushed candy cane.
You guys always have to taste it if it's poisonous or not.
1 cup of milk chocolate chips. Go ahead.
Alright. No.
Ooh. Alright, and then the crushed candy.
Oof.
Oh. 1 tablespoon. Okay.
Ooh, that. I'm forgetting.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Hola? Hi.
Alright. What else?
You didn't mix it well.
Yeah, go ahead and mix it.
No, like the flour or the small bowl and the big bowl. You didn't mix that well, like at all.
Oh, my bad. We mixed it pretty well. We added some extra chocolate chips because we are big fans of chocolate. Well, Actually, Bree's more of a bigger fan, but I could dig it. And then Bree decided to
add more crushed candy cane.
Correct. Right on.
Because it didn't smell minty enough.
Yes, we wanted like minty galore, or minty fabulous. All right, so and then now we're going to be doing the rolling of this dough that we made into 1 tablespoon.
I didn't even know it was dough. It's
yeah.
so sad.
I know. Yeah, I was like, what is this? I'm like, why? I'm like, I can't believe we don't have to add milk. And I was like, what? I don't get it. But yeah, so and Bree mentioned, oh, this is like a cookie dough. I was like, oh, ding, duh, cookie dough. I could be such a clueless person sometimes. Anyway, so this is 1 tablespoon. That's the portion for a cookie.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, go ahead and slap that on the.
No, you could do it.
Parchment. Okay, so I'll put it. If I can, I need some assistance here.
Don't you need like a cooking spray or something? Ow.
I didn't say anything about that, so I'm guessing no. All right.
Oh my gosh.
So it's supposed to be a little ball, and then you're supposed to flatten it out a little bit, slightly. I would say that's probably good enough right there. And then we'll make another one. Okay. It's a little ball. And it also didn't say how far apart they should be, but I guess normally you want them about 1 inch apart, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Right, less than 1 inch, but that's okay. We'll see when we have them all ready. We got like halfway through the mix, and voila, this is what we got so far. All right, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Use the bottom one. Bake 350. Good. And the directions didn't include whether to have it like in the lower part of the oven or the top part of the oven, but we figured that in the middle will work just fine, huh?
Yeah.
And okay, so it's 350, and then gonna slide it in long ways. Like that. And let's slide the other one long ways. Careful not to touch the metals, otherwise it will mess up.
Touches it.
All right, and we're gonna leave this in for 10 to 12 minutes. Alright, we'll see what it looks like in about 10 minutes. Or until the edges are golden brown.
Mm-hmm.
And I noticed that the edges are golden brown. So I'm going to pull them out. Ah, very nice. It smells delicious.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm going to throw these up.
Oh, very. Oh my gosh.
Set the time for 12 minutes. All right. And then, so here's the cookies. We're supposed to let them sit for about 2 minutes, and then transfer them over to a cooling rack.
The taste test.
Yeah, taste test all day. And so actually they turned out really good. Some of them came out a little bit more than golden brown around the edges. I know Bree doesn't like her things burnt, but I do. Look at that. You can see the little pieces of crushed candy cane.
It tastes good. Oh my gosh.
Does it? Ooh, that's cool. I'm going to have one of these right here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You can definitely taste the peppermint. It's not super strong. Surprisingly, it's not crunchy, because I thought maybe the candy cane would be crunchy, but it's not.
Mm-hmm. It melted, that's why.
Ah.
I think.
Yeah, it's pretty good. If you get a chance to make this stuff for Christmas or for the season, I would definitely encourage or suggest to make this cookie. Real quick, I wanted to let you know A total of 43 cookies were made with with this mix, with all the portions. So this batch right here came out the best. It looks like have that golden brown edges. And ooh, look at that! The candy cane's oozing out of that one. Right there. That's pretty good stuff. So yes, definitely a huge success for making these cookies. And what else? Do you want to say anything, Bree?
Hey, hit me up.
If you guys hit like, maybe leave a comment and we'll send you some cookies.
What if everyone who viewed this liked and shared and commented and like followed?
I would be
so.
have to like say sorry to a lot of people because we only got 43 cookies. So, but anyway, we have plenty to share around here. This pretty much ends our cookie challenge, the Christmas cookie challenge. And yeah, so stay tuned for the next one.
Wait.
Oh yeah, Oliver wants to say hi. Hi, Oliver, don't you? Don't you? Oh, yeah.
Okay, bye.
Hope you've enjoyed. We've had a blast.